Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be going over how to install a new oil filter cap, specifically a Weistec one, onto your M113k. Stay tuned.
Oil filter cap removal. Let's see. Let's put it on the voice. It doesn't break. It's gonna break. So that goes these two notches going there, and you turn it right so it tights. So if you open it, just turn it to the left, pull it out. That's all it is. But if it is brittle, you have to put a new one of this. But has to sit all the way to that spot, and once it's done, you see, you put a old filter, and that's not good demonstration.
Yeah, that's true.
But this is just an example. We are going to change the oil anyway, and then you put this in. So we need an O-ring.
Yep. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later this week with a part 2 of the exhaust build. Till then, later.